No.
I've never had this happen. Never been on the runway and so
As long as it's sunny, not snowing. Right, exactly.
Wow, I had 60.
Oh, no.
We're at lunch. And so they all, yeah.